All right, everybody, today we're going to be distributing properties. Let's go to number 27. I do the odds, go to the evens. We follow PEMDAS, and if it is possible, we work it. We have 11 minus 5, and that's 6. That gives us 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24, and we're done. Some of you are wondering, would this work if I did my multiplication first? Let's just check and see. 4 times 11, well, that's going to give us 44. And we're going to be subtracting 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. As you can see, we still get 44 minus 20, which equals 24. Let's go to number 29. Rewrite each expression. Well, if I rewrite it, this time I can't combine what's inside the parentheses, so let's rewrite it. Negative 8 times a, well, that's going to be negative 8a. Keep in mind, when we distribute properties, we take what's in front, we multiply to everything inside the parentheses. So not only will I multiply negative 8 to a, I'll multiply negative 8 to b. So this would be negative 8b. That's it, negative 8a minus 8b. We cannot combine these because a and b are not like terms. Let's try number 31. Once again, we see that we have p plus 7 and negative 2. I could rewrite this if I wanted to put negative 2 times p plus 7. Or negative 2 times p will give me negative 2p, and negative 2 times 7 will give me negative 14. And we're done. Let's go to number 33. All right, I had to move my record box for a second. It says you are ordering t-shirts with your school's mascot printed on them. Each t-shirt costs $4.75. All right, so the t-shirts are $4.75. It says the printer charges a setup fee of $30 and $2.50 to print each shirt. Well, this is what it costs for the t-shirt, but since it's going to be $2.50 for each print that we do, really we have $4.50 plus $2.50. Then we're also going to have to add $30 because that's their fee to set it up. So this would really be all in parentheses. We have to add 30 then. Write two expressions to represent the total cost of printing a t-shirt. Well, we don't know how many t-shirts you're talking about yet. So I would say however number of t-shirts times 4.75 plus $2.50 plus $30 for the setup fee. If I was going to rewrite this in a different way, I could say, well, I can combine what's inside my parentheses because they're both like terms, they're both numbers. This is going to equal, looks like 725. So that's going to be n times 7.25 plus 30. And I could even go a little deeper because I can multiply n to 7.25. So I'll actually have 7.25 n plus 30. And that's really as far as I can go because I can't combine unlike terms. So let's go to number 35. 35 says negative 6a times 2b plus 5c. Well, again, everything on the outside has to be multiplied to everything on the inside. So here I have negative 6a, actually negative 12, because 6 times 2 is 12, and a negative 10 to positive is a negative. And we don't know what a and b are, so we'll just put ab afterwards. And negative 6 times negative 5, well, that's negative 30. And we've got a and c, so this would be negative 30 AC. And really, that's it. There's nowhere to go with this. Let's go ahead and try number 37. Once again, combining everything on the outside, everything on the inside. 3 times 2y, well, 3 times 2 is 6, so that's going to be 6, and then y. And we're going to multiply, or we're going to multiply 3 to 4z, and a positive and positive make a positive, so we will add 12z. And because I have different variables, okay, my terms are different, I can't combine them. That's my final answer. I got 39 here. 39 is negative 6 times 12p. Well, I believe that's going to be 72. Let's double check. 12 times 6. That would be 2, carry the 1. Yep, it would be 72. So this would be positive times a negative is negative 72p. Now I'm going to say a negative times a negative. It's going to be a positive. And 6 times 8 is 48. And n simply follows down. Can we combine these? No, because 72 has a variable p with it, and the coefficient of n is 48. We cannot combine these terms. And that's all I've got to do tonight. The rest is on you. So good luck, and I'll see you in class.